Now to finish off, I'm just going to show you again a single wrap thread trim on the end of a guide. This is just a little bit different to the way we started. Obviously we're finishing our base wrap first before then pulling the trim down. So I've already bound the guide on. Now we're going to take our trim colour. Right now you might want some tape just down so you can hold your trim as you go down. Also notice that I haven't trimmed off this. This is still in the actual thread carriage and there's still tension on it. But what you want to do is start at the base, pull up, make an X, and then go back down. Just so your X sits somewhere. Now you can also grab a bit of tape if you want and stick it down somewhere just so you know your X is there and it won't move, and tape the yellow thread down. Then you can go along and finish your thread wrap. It's also a good idea if you've got these guys sitting a little bit far apart, once you've got a couple wraps down, just to bring them together and stick them back down. Now we're at the stage where I'm getting ready to finish off the base wrap. So again, we'll take a pull through. Put it in. Continue about 4 times over it. And when we're ready, stop. Keep it tight. Alright, now as you can see it's ready to pull through. So I've just made sure that our tag end is over the guide, so when we slide down it's around the base of the wrap itself. You'll see that the X is still sitting there. So what you want to do is remove the tape, put something like a toothpick, or in this case my burnishing tool, down in the middle where that X is going to slide. And just slide down and tighten up. You may want to push the edges in a little bit as you're going, but just do it gently, making sure it finishes off nicely. And then again you can trim and just hide those tags with your burnishing tool, fix up any little. But there's a single trim to finish. And will notice that in this wrap I've shown a bit more of what you should be doing with the guide, starting about 5 mil from the guide foot, just so you reduce the wrap of your guide down as small as possible. Well, I hope you found that information useful, and it sort of shed some light on some tips and tricks so you can get creative with your wraps. I'm Ben Hurlson from Phantom Rods. Thank you.